The Saguaro Cactus by J. Hernandez. A saguaro cactus. The saguaro cactus is a plant. The saguaro grows in the desert. Some saguaros grow as tall as a house. It takes many years for a saguaro to grow so tall. A saguaro full of water. The desert is a hot, dry place. The saguaro can live in the desert because it holds water in its body. The saguaro looks fat when it has a lot of water inside. It looks thin when it has less water. Young saguaros are small. This saguaro has branches that look like arms. The saguaro starts as a seed. The seed grows to become a small cactus. The small cactus grows to become a tall cactus. The tall saguaro grows branches. The branches look like arms. The flowers of a saguaro cactus. The saguaro grows flowers. The flowers turn into fruit. The fruit has seeds. The seeds fall to the ground. Some of the seeds grow into new saguaros. The spines of a saguaro. The saguaro is covered with spines. The spines have sharp points. The spines keep some animals from eating the saguaro. When it rains, the spines help the water go down to the roots of the cactus. The roots of a saguaro. The roots of the saguaro are not deep in the ground. They spread out near the top of the ground. That way, they can get a lot of water when it rains. This bird lives in a saguaro. Many small animals use the saguaro. Birds build nests in holes in the cactus. Bugs eat the seeds and other parts of the plant. Bats get food from the flowers. The saguaro helps these animals live.